Microsoft Visio is a Microsoft 365 app that you should find accessible from your waffle icon. This is an introductory level version, but it really can help you create flowcharts and build flowcharts and processes and diagrams. So what we're going to do here is just have a quick look at a flowchart. So you pick a flowchart template. A Microsoft Visio diagrams are as large as you want them to be, really. So we have some pages here and we can add further pages in. And what we have down the left-hand side was we've got different shapes. Remember that this is an introductory version. You will see with some elements that you can upgrade to the full Visio. But if you want a simple process map, what we're going to do is say we're going to have our process here. And we can just do step 1. And as I just typed in, that will do that for me. And I can then say that is a decision. And you can see here that there were some arrows. So I don't have to find those arrows to connect them. I just click on that and it connects one to another. So that might be yes, and I might have another decision, and I might connect that to that. So however you do this, you build a chart where you build up your flow, and there are other shapes available within here. You can add pictures, you can add comments, and we can add text boxes. So Visio then enables us to put a process map together and to connect the different items from one to the other, adding your text to them to enable you to create a process very quickly. So if you haven't used it before, give it a go. Use Visio today. See you next time.